What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5+ tips and secret on how to increase your watch hours on YouTube as a small YouTuber. Keep on watching. So tip number 1, play your own videos. Yeah, you heard me, play your own videos, because you're just starting out. The YouTube algorithm is not in your favor just yet, so you have to start by watching your own videos. What I do is that I make a single playlist out of all my videos, then I set it to play. I play it on my phone, I play it on my laptop, I play it on the telly. In fact, I play it on like 4 browsers on my phone. I set it to loop. So before I sleep, before I go to bed every day, I watch my videos, I set it to loop, then I go to bed. When I wake up the next morning, at times it's still that way. In the morning, I increase in watch time. So tip number 2, join YouTubers community on IG, Facebook, even WhatsApp. You'll find them everywhere. So I'm currently on a group on IG and even on WhatsApp. It's just a community of small YouTubers where we watch each other's video, and that way I increase in my watch time. So I'm going to show you proof right here. I'm going to put it. Okay, I went from 5.7k to 7.7k because I watched my own videos, and I also went all the way up to 21k because I joined small YouTuber community on IG where we watch our own play. So that brings me to tip number 3, make long videos. So I am not saying you should make a 30-minute video. So what I'm trying to say is that make sure you have a content, you create a content that can get to like 10 minutes long, 15 minutes long. That way, if you keep your audience engaged all through the video, let's say a 10-minute video, a 15-minute video, you keep your content and your content is on point, you keep your viewers watching all through the 10 minutes, all through the 15 minutes. At the end of the day, you're definitely going to increase in watch time as opposed to a 2-minute video, a 5-minute video. So try and make a long video set. So tip number 4 will be consistent. Post content regularly, because the more you post, the more people watch your videos, the more watch hours you get, the more watch time you get, the more you grow fast, the more you grow in subscriber count, and the more you grow in watch hours also. So you cannot just, there's a difference between someone posting every day, posting every 2 days, and someone posting once in a month. Tell me who is going to grow more. The person going and posting every day and the person posting every 2 days will grow faster than the one posting once in a month. So try and post consistently and be active all the time on your channel. So if you want to grow as fast as you want, so you have to post content on a regular basis. Not say every day, but just try and make a time, just try and find a very suitable time for you that is going to be comfortable for you and your channel, so that you can grow faster in watch. Tip number 5 will be promote your channel on all your social media handles, because the more you promote, the more you stand a chance of people subscribing to you, which will eventually result in watch time, because they will definitely want to check your channel out. They will definitely want to know what you're up to. They will definitely want to see what you post, and if they like your content, they will subscribe to you. And if they also like your content, they will keep coming back for more and watch your videos. Thereby you increase in watch time. So nobody is going to support your channel more than you do. So always use every opportunity you get to promote your channel. I am not saying you should spam people, because I know a lot of people that spam people with their channel links. You have to do it well and not to spam people. Okay? Feel me? You get me? So you can also talk to your families and friends to help you promote your channel page, because when you talk to them, they also talk to their friends and friends of friends. That way you increase both in subscriber count and also in watch. The last additional tip I have for you guys is to make a trailer out of your video and post them on your social medias, because that way people are drawn to that part of the video and they want to see more of the video. They want to see what happens in the video. They want to hear the ending part of the video. They just want to see that part in the video. That way they run to the main video and they watch it, which will possibly result in more watch time for you and more subscribers for you. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, because it will definitely help me out. Subscribe to my channel also if you have not, and also comment down below, and also share this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.